Yes friends, so we are continuing with question number 4. What is saying? That 18% of total votes is the difference of the votes between the two candidates, which is equal to 2412. Okay, so this 18%, because the difference of the percent is 59 minus 41 is 18. 18% of total votes is equal to 2400. Therefore, total votes equal to, therefore, let me write here. Therefore, total votes is equal to 2412, and this is 18 upon 100 of total votes, then 18%. That means that come here 100 upon 18. Try to understand. This 18% of total votes equal to 2416. This is 18 upon 100. 100 will come in the numerator, divided by 18. So total votes equal to this. So this is the next step here. Now let us solve it. So if I divide it by, this is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7 and 2, 9. So it is divisible by 9. Okay, 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are, or 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18, 6 remaining 61. So then, okay, 9 6 are 54. So 9 6 are 54. 54 and 6 1 7 7, but the remainder 72 now. So then 9 8 are 72. Okay, so 268 upon 2. This 268 into 100 upon 2. Again it is divided by 2. 268. Why this is divided by 9? How do we check that? Whenever the sum of the digits is a factor of 9, okay, then it can be factor of 9, means 9 or factor of 8, 9, 18, etc. Then it will be divided by 9. Similarly, rule for 3 also. So multiple of 3, 3, 9, etc. So for them, there is a rule that whenever we add the digits 2, 4, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divided by 9. So that's why I thought about that these two numbers are divided by 9. We cancel out the two numbers in the numerator and denominator by 9. 9 2 are 18, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 3, 61, 9 6 are 54. 54. So this is 7 and 72. So 72 is the remainder then. So 72 divided by 9 is 9 8 is 72. So 268 into 100. Again it is divided by 2. 2 in the denominator. Let me again divide by 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is and 2 4 is. Okay, so 134. So this is 13,400. So 100 multiplied 134 is 13,400. Total number of votes. This is the answer here. So total number of votes was 13,400. These votes were polled. Okay, and then winning candidates obtained 2,412 votes, more than that of the losing candidates or defeated candidates. Okay, this is what question is. So total number of votes is 13,400. And the question number 4 completed. Let me take question number 5. Okay, now question number 5, what does it say? Let me check it. First let me clean the board and after that I'll take question number 5. Question number 5 then. Okay, so question number 5, let us talk about. Okay, now what is given to us? Let me write here. Given to us. Now the question says, if 2 liters of water are evaporated on boiling from 8 liters of sugar solution containing 5% sugar. Okay, so 5% of sugar, which was there in 8 liters of total mixture or total solution, solution. If 2 liters of water are evaporated on boiling from 8 liters of sugar, that means 2 liters has been evaporated. So out of 8, now 6 liters has remained. Total solution is now left over is 6 liters. Now come to the point. What is it then? 8 liters of water sugar solution containing 5% of sugar. Find the percentage of sugar in the remaining solution. Okay. So now let me find what the percentage of solution, sugar remaining in the solution, which is 6 liters. So now first let me find what is the total sugar contained in the 8 liters of water. So that is 5%. It says that 5%, the solution containing 5% of sugar. So 5% of sugar of 8 liters, if I calculate, then that will give us the, okay, now 5% of sugar is something, 5 8 40.4, 0.4 liters of sugar is there. Okay. A liter water has been there, so it may be in kilograms or meter or whatever units is there. That is 5%, 0.4. 0.4 liters of that sugar contained is there. So sugar content is there. Okay, so now this 0.8%, 0.4 is what percent? Is what percent of in 6? So we have to find out what percent of 6 will give us 0.4 liters, because 0.4 liters sugar is still there in the same, because sugar has not been evaporated, only water has been evaporated. This 0.6 quantity is equal to what percent of 6? What the point? So we have to find out that what is the percentage of the sugar in the water solution which is left over now. What is the content of sugar there now left? That is the point. So initially it was 0.4 liters of sugar, okay, in the 8 liters of water, because it's 5% of total solution is sugar content. The sugar content we have calculated, that is 4% or 0.4. Okay, so 0.4 liters. Now this 0.4 liters is quantity which is still there in the solution because it cannot be evaporated. So sugar solution is still there. Sugar is still there in the same quantity. It has not been evaporated. It has not lessened in quantity. So that quantity is what percent of the leftover solution? That we have to find out. So let me given here, right here given, what is given to us? We are given here the 2 liters, the 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water has been evaporated from 8 liters of it may be 8 liters from 8 liters of sugar solution. 8 liters of sugar, 8 liters of solution, sugar solution here. 8 liters of sugar solution. Try it once. 8 liters of sugar solution. Now it says which contains 5% of sugar. 5% of sugar in it. Okay, now to find the percentage of sugar which is left in the remaining. Find the percentage of sugar in the remaining solution. To find percentage, let me write percentage of sugar left in the solution, in the remaining solution, they say, in the remaining solution. So that is the point here. Solution. Now see here. So let me find out that what the quantity of sugar initially in the 8 liters of water, in 8 liters of solution. So the quantity of sugar in the solution initially is equal to 5% of 8 liters of sugar solution. So initially the quantity of sugar in the solution initially is equal to 5% of 8 liters, equal to 5 upon 100 into 8, 5 upon 100 into 8, this is equal to 40 upon 100, 4 upon 10, that means 0.4 liters. Now we are taking liters, no problem. Whatever quantity is, if it is in liters, then 0.4 liters of sugar is there in the initial content. Now the remaining solution, leftover solution. Now leftover solution is equal to 8 minus 2 because 2 liters of water has been evaporated. So leftover quantity is 6 liters finally. So sugar is still there in 0.4 quantity, whatever 0.4 liters. So sugar, or in the solution, let me write here. So we can write here, since the sugar is still in the same quantity, okay, the sugar is still in the same quantity in the remaining or leftover solution, in the remaining solution, in the leftover solution. Try to understand. This point is very important. In the remaining solution, in the leftover solution, the same quantity of sugar will be there. What percent of this sugar is there in the 6 liters? Therefore, 6 liters of the remaining solution still has 0.4 liters of sugar. 4 liters of sugar. This is important point. Now this is what percent of 6? Therefore, let X percent of 6 is equal to 0.4. So this quantity, which is of 6 liters, is of what percent in 6? Okay, or X equal to 0.4 into 100. Why this percent sign will come in the denominator, which is 1 upon 100. So percentage means 1 upon 100. Try to understand. So here it is X upon 100. So 100 will come in the numerator. 0.4 into 100 divided by 6. This 6 multiplication. Okay, so let us take this is 40 only, because 100 into 0.4 is 40 divided by 6. That means if I take this 20 upon 3 by 2, if I cancel out, so it is 20 by 3. That means what percent? 20 by 3%. This is percentage sign. Let me write here to X equal to, therefore X equal to what percent? Equal to 20 upon 3%. this is in percent, so we are at 6 and 6.66% of 6 liter is the sugar level. So this is 6.66%. X equal to here. The sugar level is in the remaining, because initially it was 5% in 8 liters. In 6 liters it is 6.66%. So 6.6% of 6 is the sugar solution left over. Is the sugar level. You can see sugar level, no problem. Is the sugar level or sugar quantity, we can not level but quantity, sugar quantity of total one 6.66% of 6 liters. Of 6 liters is the sugar quantity. So 6.66 is the answer. Percent is the answer. What percent of 6 liters is the remaining sugar level? That is what sugar percent. What percent? Find the percentage of sugar in the remaining solution. So it is 6.66%. Okay, of the sugar of the total 6 liters of solution. Sugar is 6.6% of that. This is the answer here. So question number 5 we have completed. Let us take question number now 6. Let me check that. What does it say? So question number 6 is of what kind? Let us talk about question number 6. Now it says that two numbers, okay, are respectively 20% and 50% more than a third number. What percent is the first or the second? Let us find out what is given to us. So we are given two numbers. Two numbers are what percent? 20% and 50%. Are 20% and 50% and 50% of a third number. Of a third number. Right? This is given to us of a third number. What percent is the first of the second? And what percent is the, let me just find out. So to find here, what percent is the first, what percent of second is the first, what percent of second number is the first, number. Now this get it. Okay. If I take the third number as 100, suppose, then the first number is 20% of the third number, that means 120, and the second number is 150. First is 120, second is 150, right? Now it says that what percent of second number is the first, what percent of second number is the, what percent of second is the first number. I would say to find what percent is the first, what percent is the first of second, or what percent of second is the first number. No problem. Same thing. This we have to find out here. Okay, solution. Let the third number be 100. B is equal to 100. Then first number is 20% of 100. That means 20 upon 100 into 100. More than this. First number is 20% more than that. This is more than that. More, yeah, 20% more of 100. First number is 20% more, but 20% more is 20% more, 20% more, here let me write here, of 100. That means this is plus 100. Okay, so 20% of 100 means 20% of 100 plus 100. So 100 is the third number, and then 20% more of that number. So this is 20 plus 100, that means 120. Similarly, the second number is, equal to 50% of that, means 100 plus 50% of 100. 50% of 100, that means 100 plus 50, that means 150. So this 50% is 50 upon 100 into 100, 50 only. So 50 plus 100 means 150. This is second number. Now we have to find out. Okay, so what percent of this number is this number? This is second equation. Let me write second equation. This is the first equation. 120. So now we have to find out that what percent of second number, suppose this is x percent of second number. So therefore let x percent of second number is equal to first number That means what? That means x upon 100 of second number is 150 is equal to 120, but 120 is the first number. Okay, and second number is what percent of second number is equal to this? Or simply we could write shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? That what number is there which we have to calculate over what percent. So 120 upon 150 into 100 is simply that x equal to 120 upon 150 will come here into 100. This will give us the percentage. Therefore first number will be this percent of second number. So this 0 cancel out. Okay, so 1200 upon 15 only. Let me first cancel out by 5 3s, or this is, let me take 400 upon, it is 400 upon, if I cancel out by 5, then 5 3s 15 and 5 4s, 3, I'm sorry, by 3 it is 5 times, it is 4 times of 400 upon 5, it is 80% only. 5 is 40, it is 80%. So x equal to 80, that means 80%. Hence 120 is equal to 80% of 150. This is the answer. So 80% is the answer. Now this, it says, what is the first number? First number is equal to what percent of second number? The two numbers are the same. What percent is the percent of first number of second? What percent of second is the first number? First number, which is 120, is equal to 80% of second number. So 80% is the answer. Okay, so finally x is 80%. So 80% is the answer. The answer is 80%. Is the answer. X equal to 80%. Okay, so this is what's the relationship between the two numbers given to us. Let us take the next question. Question number now 7. Now question number 7. What does it say? Let me check it. So question number 7, guys. Question number 7 says, okay, so it says, let me check it. Two numbers are respectively 30%, 40% again of the same kind, less than a third number, Then what percent is the second of the first? Now second number is to be calculated. What percent of first number is the second number? What percent is the second of first? Okay, this is degrees given to us is we are given two numbers in which two numbers are, we are given two numbers which are, we are given here two numbers which are, or in which, or which are, let me write here, two numbers which are, sorry, it is very bold, sorry, let me change it here, which are 30%, first is 30%, 40%, okay, which are 30% and 40% less than a third number. Then a third number. Okay. So what we will find out? Then a third number. Then a third number. To find. Now second number is what percent of first. It is calculated that what percent is the second of the first. Okay, so second number is what percent of first, is what percent of first number. This we have to calculate solution. Now let third number is, let the third number be x, sorry, be 100, I'm sorry, number be 100. Therefore the first number is 30% less, that means 30% less. So first number is equal to 100 minus 30% of 100. That means 100 minus 30. This is 70. So that is 70 number. Second number is this is first number and this is second number. So second number will be 100 minus 40% of